Today is Monday, March 24th. I made around $6,000, I think. I made around 1,000 on 3 Alpha Capital. I made around 600 on each top step account. So yeah, $6,000 today. Trading the NASDAQ. I want to get into a little trade recap for you boys. So today was, I'm not going to lie, pretty shitty PA. It is a Monday. We can't expect a lot. But we did have news at 9:45, which is what also drove the market to move like shit. Data lows are yet to be swept. We have them here. Yeah, like what is this, right? I'm gonna run through my thought process coming into market open real quick. We did take a short. You might be thinking like, oh, like Ale, you traded the trend. Like, I'm a trend trader. I don't trade against the trend, but we did unfortunately have London lows and a new week opening gap that are still waiting to be taken. We did have an SMT at Asian lows because the S&P did sweep them, if I'm correct. No, the S&P did not take them, and NASDAQ did take them. So we did have an SMT there. Like I said, NWAG, that is quite literally probably the strongest draw on liquidity. So I was most definitely going for shorts if we had session lows and NWAG right below us. We also had a couple unfilled hourly fair value gaps that were great targets, great liquidity to be taken out. Unfortunately, we did have this, or fortunately, actually, we did this 1 hour bullish fair value gap that was aligned with an equal low. If we look here, equal lows at a 1 hour, that was my target. All I had to wait for was originally there was a 5-minute entry. This 5-minute was a bullish 5-minute inverse plus a bearish 5-minute CISD that was created right here, which price tapped into after our target was taken. Ideally, price would have pushed up into that pre-market and given us a 1-minute inversion towards market open. But what actually happened in practice was we tapped this 15-minute that did get inversed, but at the time, the 5-minute inversed, this 5-minute right here, inversed while we were tapping into we inversed it and then immediately tapped into the 15-minute, which was cooked. Like we could not trade that, right? So what we actually waited for was a 15-minute inversion to the downside. And that is when I entered short with my stops above the swing high. It was a really short stop, 15 points. TP at the unfilled 1 hour. And usually I won't go for trades this low in points, but the volatility was so shit today that it just made sense. Like on a typical day, this stop loss would probably be like 25 points and this target would be like 30, 40 points, right? This is a very rare occasion where the market will move, 15 points on market open? Not even. Yeah, what is this candle's range? 15 points on market open is ridiculous. So we did wait for price to tap into this 1 hour. I honestly did want to see it move lower, taking out all these levels of sell side. Like I said, London lows and NWAG. But unfortunately, we did not get that, right? We play with what the market gives us. So I made around 600 on each account with Top Step and 1,000 on each account with Alpha Capital. The second trade, which I did not take, but I told the Discord about, was this long. After we did not take out NWAG, I figured we might as well be bullish to target this weekly volume imbalance, right? Right here, if you see the weekly of a volume imbalance, price might be drawn to that. So what I did see was a 15-minute order block that price tapped into here. Up here, sorry. 15-minute order block that price tapped into. And we got a 1-minute inversion to the upside. Why did I not take that if we had buy side resting here? A bunch of LR and a weekly volume imbalance. Because there was a bearish 3-minute. So I waited for the 3 minutes to inverse and I wanted a tap back into the CISD and rejection, but we did not get that. So I wasn't willing to take it just because the RR was fucked. My stop would have middle of swing low. So what I did want to see was this. And then I would have entered. Draws got hit. I did call it out to the Discord. Some of them made money off it, but was not happy with that setup, so I did not take it myself. So if you guys have any questions about this trade that I did take, right, off the 5-minute inverse, 5 and 15-minute inverse, just comment down below or DM me on TikTok, Discord, Instagram, whatever you guys want, and I'll be there to answer. All right, peace out, boys.